Hi Hoppers! We already spoke swiftly about this subject in a previous video, but this week we'll dive deeply in supports and resistances. Supports and resistances are arguably the most commonly used tools when analyzing a chart. They consist of lines drawn on a trading chart that represent key levels for a specific asset or cryptocurrency. You might wonder, how does a key level affect the price of the cryptocurrency I'm trading? However, they're more important than you might think. Most of the time, support and resistances act as magnets for the price. Usually, it tries to reach these levels, hover around them, and finally either break or reject them, only to head to another support or resistance. But how do we know which price levels can act as a support or resistance? Pivots and volume play an important role here. The main indicator that shows these levels are pivots. These are moments when the trend reverses and a new maximum or minimum is reached. Second, and no less important, the volume. The volume has the same role for supports and resistances as the foundations have for a house. If they're strong, they'll be tough to break. When the volume behind a pivot is higher, this level will be harder to break. On the other hand, if the volume that backs the price level is very low, the price will continue its trend without even noticing that there was a support or resistance. To put all this into practice, we'll now open the Bitcoin chart and put our knowledge to the test. First, we'll open the volume indicator so we have a general idea of how strong our resistance or support will be. Next up, we'll look at the pivot, which are the points where the price changes the direction of its trend. You can see them here and here. As you can see at this pivot point, there is big volume as well. If we put a straight line on the chart now, you see that this has been an important support level in the past, and could also be in the future. So next time the Bitcoin price will break this price level, chances are high that it will rise quickly to its next resistance level. After you've seen a buying opportunity in the charts as we see here, you can place a manual buy order in Cryptohopper. You do that by simply scrolling down your dashboard to this menu, selecting the coin and the amount you want to buy. After buying your asset, you can automate the sell by setting a trailing stop loss in the base config menu. This is a function that will sell the position after it dips a filled-in percentage. Or you create your own selling strategy here. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you've learned a little and will grow into a better trader. Will you use supports and resistances in your next technical analysis? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, happy hopping!